say, and I get lost in the nothingness inside.